So we start looking at a couple of things here. Obviously we see this thing weighing around here, and then all of a sudden it shifts, and shifts quite dramatically from that. And we basically see this top half going a long way forward and the way down. And then we'll talk about this left elbow, and probably more so from that angle there on the left hand screen, right? That we will lose over time because that will hurt you.
Yeah,
Okay. So then when we have a look at where it's coming from now, it's coming from a shallow place, so instead of being vertical here, now it's in there. And we're starting to get impact alignments on this side that look like what we need and want. We still have this left elbow doing this.
Which should be doing.
Basically it'll point down at the ground.
Oh,
So at that point in time there, that elbow will be down here somewhere.
oh wow, it's just way out of line.
Okay, so when we start looking at some different golf swings here, let's just have a look. We'll do Buzz the Clown back here.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And you start seeing their elbows pointing, so at that point in time your elbow's up there trying to stop
Yeah.
it from going left.
yeah, right.
And from this angle it folds up and goes the opposite way. At that point in time we sort of almost made it look like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was, yeah.
So that's
So
the
he
kind
was
of...
right tucked into his body.
That's right, yeah. So very similar to the way back, what we're trying to achieve on the way back,
Yeah.
we're going to start to see a little different on the way down. And you trying to lift it up in the air essentially, whereas eventually what we'll have is this left elbow it'll be down back in here and it'll look more like that, and the club will be doing this.
Okay.
You're pulling sort of up and away from it, away from the target. So we won't get into that today, clearly.
No.
So it's just about what's going on from...
But I can work on that, till our next lesson.
Yeah. And when we start looking at what the path was doing again, past 2 degrees from the inside, when we saw it -5 there before.
Yeah.
So that now we're starting to
Yeah,
talk.
okay.
So, we go back and have a look at the club path there. That one was -1. Other one, -1. So all of this, and then as it got longer, then it started going to -5, and we had an attack angle of like -8. So that's like a pitching wedge.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
So
okay.
that's our long-term goal.
Good stuff.
Okay.